Hey guys, well, here we have, starting off, this is 5-star DSLR, and right here in front of me, in this package, FedEx today has delivered the 50mm f1.4 lens. It's an alpha lens for Sony cameras, of course, and I got it about 2 hours ago, haven't even tried it out yet. I did open it because I was so anxious to get it. Sony told me that, it wasn't going to be shipped out today, but it got here today, and so I get to take it to the wedding. Awesome. So here it is in this box. It comes just like this. In its box, of course, like I said, for the Sony lens, right here. It does come with a lens hood. Circular aperture, like it says in the box, right there. 50F14. Let's see, let's go into more. Anything else with this amazing thing? A-mount, Sony Alpha, of course, 55mm for the filters. Let's open it up, see what's in the box, guys. Alright, here is the opening of the box. Not that much. Here it is. Alright, so we have the manuals, more manuals, limited time warranty. We have the top of the box. Fantastic, isn't it? As best as I could to make it look like I didn't open it. But I'm not going to lie to you guys. I did open it. Here it is. So it comes with this. I was expecting a metal hood. Only the Zeiss come with a metal hood. Sadly. Okay, so lens itself. Let me adjust this real fast, guys. Lens itself, along with the awesome hood it comes with. There it is right there. Let me just toss this to the side. Okay, so here is the lens right here with the, of course, the awesome 50mm. Here's the awesome aperture blades, the intense aperture blades. Let's see if we can get a look inside. There it is right there. What about in the back? Let me see if I can use this light on the left of me to get a look inside. Well, I could see it. There's 7 blades in there. You guys can't see. Only I can. Ha ha ha. And 7 blades, of course, like I said. I'm going to take some video with this amazing little device. And I will upload it right after this video. Here's the amazing little hood. Whatnot. I mean, just a hood. Calm down. Okay, it's just a hood. Okay? It's just a hood. Check this out. I use it for my 18 to 55mm now. Awesome. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this vid. And now, time to see the video of the 50mm. Alright guys, here's some intense video of the 50mm 1.4 f. So you can see the background's amazing. Amazing as well. There's the blur on both sides. Blurs out so much. I wish I could show you more, but it's nighttime outside. Can't do much when it's nighttime, can I? So there's this awesome device showing you guys its amazing blur, clarity, and it does make a noise that probably can be heard through the video. Sadly, if you guys could hear it, then yes, it does make the noise during video. I don't understand why, but yes. Checking out that little dial thing. I don't understand why. farther, I look at something. It's pretty cool. Well, that's all, guys. That is all. So, just one quick thing. So, it's not really a 50mm lens. Your camera really, like, times it. For example, mine is times 1.5, just due to the length of the mirror and, the sensor and all that stuff. So it's really 50 times 1.5. So it's really like 75mm lens on this camera. My battery's really low. Well, that's pretty much it, guys.